Hey guys, it's me, Selena. Well, this is the director's cut of my very first directing movie. Yep, I was the director.
Hi guys, I'm here today in beautiful Dartmoor, filming on location for a film, and I'm going to be the star.
No, you're not.
What?
You're not.
What do you mean I'm not?
You're not. You're not actually in it.
Why?
No, because Oki and Enki are going to be in it.
But I'm a star.
But you're directing.
Wait,
what? It's a promotion you're directing.
I'm a director?
Yeah.
Whoa! Guys, I'm a director. I'm busy. I gotta go. Bye!
Okay, so... I was a little teensy bit annoyed that I wasn't the star, but then I had a thought. No one remembers who that silly shark is, do they? No. But everyone knows the name Spielberg. And everyone's gonna know the name Selena. So get ready for my first film. Enjoy! Oh, just jumping in quick here to say, one of our models didn't turn up to do the picking, so I had to step in because I am a star, and stars do what they need to do to make the film shine. I picked a good one, didn't I? Okay, so you've seen it. Tell me honestly, what did you think of the Splash of Mischief? I knew you'd like it. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to be a director again. Cut!
Good job, guys. You did so good. You ready for the next take? Yeah?